Jena, son of Okeke.
Young maiden, who are you?
Grandson of Adugo.
Yes, that is me.
Ask not, for our tale has just begun.
Ah! How did you do that? How? Where are you? Where are you, young maiden? Where are you?
Take me home.
Your words, I will obey.
Call me Adugo.
Adugo. I am loyal.
Let's go.
Open your mouth. Yeah.
I hope you're eating your own. No?
Yes, Mama. Hey.
Mama. Ugoma, I'm off to the stream to fetch water.
Okay, Nemo. Oh. That was so.
Okay, Mama.
Wait, Ugoma. Please, be fast, so I can cook lunch, okay? We don't have a single drop of water left in this house. Oh?
Okay, I'll be fast.
Go well, eh?
Okay, Mama.
Aha. Ugoma, you are already feeding Mama?
Yes, so she woke up this morning complaining of hunger.
You mean, yeah.
Today, my son.
Mama.
I hope you are not going out today.
Mama, as I am talking to you, I am already in the forest. Mama, see, I should have been in the forest by now, but I woke up late. I overslept.
No. I'm having bad feelings.
Mama, stop now. Stop. You should know better than using your mouth to make negative statements. See, words spoken with the mouth are very powerful. As a matter of fact, Mama, I will go to the forest and come back safe and sound. I'll wait my arrival, Mama, because I need to catch enough bushmeat so I can sell them for my marriage. Mama, you know I'm your only son.
I know. But if you say so, there's no problem. May the spirit of your forefathers and your ancestors protect you and guide you.
It's alright, Mama. Ugoma, please, take very good care of Mama. You know you are the only one left in the house. And Mama, it seems you enjoy eating yam, eh? Yes. Look at your mouth. Oh yeah. It's alright, I'll be on my way.
Go well.
Ugoma, I hope you're eating now.
Yes, Mama. I will like it. Okay.
None. Udene. This is a sign of bad omen. Could it be the bad feeling mother was having? Should I go back? No! No, I can't go back. I can't. Yes, because I am Jena, offspring of Okeke, grandson of Agudike. Nothing will happen to me. Nothing. Yes. May Ajani and the gods of our land protect me. Into the forest I go. I am going.
Jena, son of Okeke.
Young maiden, who are you?
Grandson of Agudike.
Yes, that is me.
Ask not, for our tale has just begun.
Ah! How did you do that? How? Where are you? Where are you, young maiden? Where are you?
Take me home.
Your words, I will obey.
Call me Adugo.
Adugo. I am loyal.
Let's go.
It's a pity that slave hunters killed all the old and young in her village. Took all the children and the men into slavery. Adugo here was lucky enough to escape with her life. I saw her wandering around in the forest.
Don't worry. Oh, from today, I will be your sister.
Yes.
And by the help of our brother here, Jena, we will take care of you.
Exactly. We will.
Yes. What is the name of your village?
It's Uruago, after Miriago River. They killed my family right before my own eyes.
It's alright.
I saw them slaughtering my family.
It's okay, Adugo, it's okay. Stop crying. Okay? Stop crying. We are here for you. Just like my sister have said. We will take very good care of you. As from today, consider yourself as part of this family. I gave you my word on that. And I am going to keep to it. Okay? It's alright.
But Jena, we need to inform the king and the elders before the slave hunters invade our village.
I will do that. I will. It's
Hey.
okay. It's alright.
They slaughtered my family like goats and fowl. Stop crying. Oh, stop crying. My family and I are here for you now.
Yes. It's alright.
Jena, we have to inform Mama about this before she can stay with us.
Are you alright? Huh? Are you okay? Are you now the man of the house? Don't you know that I'm the man of the house? I take decisions. So you want us to go and disturb that blind woman? Can't you see that she's sleeping? Are you okay? Now, don't interrupt me when I'm talking next time. Anyways, I and Ugoma have already taken our decision. Huh? Adugo here will stay with us and she will live with us as one family. Don't try that the next time.
Okay, if you say so.
Please don't mind her. That's how she behaves. You can see somebody's crying. Instead of you to console her, you are here talking about Mama. Mama that is inside resting. It's alright. Obiora, my friend. This is Adugo. She's the girl I told you that I rescued from slave hunters. You remember now? Yes. Adugo, please go inside. I'm coming to join you soon. Let me attend to my friend. He just came. Obi. Hey. Oh.
Today, come. Are you trying to tell me that story you just said is true?
How? I don't understand.
Jena, you seem to have forgotten that I've known you since we were boys.
I know.
I know you to the point that I know your next move.
Do you know me that well?
Yes. I know you even before you do something, I know what you want to do.
It's true.
It was so bad that during the illness of your father, you didn't shake. That's to show that you don't have compassion.
Yeah.
Yes.
Am I that bad?
Your father died. Your mother and your sister started mourning him. In fact, they cried for 4 market days. Jide, you, my friend, not even a tear drop. Now, you are looking me in the eyes and you're telling me that you rescued her from slave traders as Onyoma.
Obiora, my friend, you should know that no matter how strong a man is, something must melt his heart. Yes,
now you are talking.
I like that girl. That is why I'm helping her.
Wonder.
Yes, and if she possesses good character, I am going to marry her.
Hi, Jena, my friend. I knew it. I knew it. Well, from my physical assessment, the maiden is beautiful.
She is very beautiful.
She's beautiful.
Curvy too.
I can see that. Have you told your mother of your intention and what did she say?
Well, my mother has not said anything yet. But you know how my mother can be. If you tell her something now, she will take like 2 to 3 days before she will give you her response.
That's their way, especially when they are older.
Yes. But I know she will still say something.
Definitely say something. They like taking their time to process, something before they can give their. But that's okay. But my problem now is that something is missing here. There is no palm wine. There is no goat meat.
Since you came, you've been asking me questions now.
Now that I've stopped.
It's alright. Let me call Adugo. There are some roasted bushmeat I have in the house. And I still have some palm wine.
Say no more.
Let me see if I can call Adugo to get you some now.
Who is the Adugo? Okay,
the
maiden.
Adugo.
Now, Adugo.
Mama, you sent for me.
Yes, my son.
Okay, what is it?
Jena.
Mama?
Who is that girl that you brought into our house?
Oh.
Who is she?
You mean Adugo?
Yes.
Mama, Adugo is a very nice girl. I actually saved her from the hands of slave hunters.
Slave hunters?
Yes.
Jena, my son.
Mama.
That girl.
Oh, what about her?
Her voice sounds familiar to me. And also, I don't like her presence at all.
Mama, relax. You worry too much. See, Adugo is a very nice girl. I wish you had your sight. You would have seen how pretty and beautiful she is. She's a very nice girl, though. Trust me. See, Mama, with time, I am very sure, I am certain you are going to like her. Trust me. You will like her. Mama, I'm here.
Jena.
Mama.
Jena.
Mama, I heard you the first time.
How many times did I call you?
3 times.
Why is it that each time I tell you something, you always find a way to do the opposite?
Mama, stop this thing now. I don't like this thing. Stop it now. I'm a man of my words and I have taken my decision. If you need anything to ask about Adugo, you can ask Ogoma. I don't know why you're asking all these unnecessary questions. I don't know. Adugo is a very nice girl. She has been here for the past 3 days and she has not given us any problems. So why are you bringing up all these unnecessary issues? Mama, please. If you will not mind, I want to go and see Ezudo. Oh? When I get back, we'll continue this conversation. Please, if you have any questions you want to ask me, go and ask Ogoma. Why are you asking me all these unnecessary questions?
Jena, my son. Jena, my son. Time shall tell. Time shall tell.
She's such a nice girl.
Yes, and we did not make any mistake by accepting her into our family.
May the gods of our land bless us all.
You say, Wakego, Ugoma, you are up already.
Yes.
The food will be ready soon. Oh, so you can eat.
Thanks for cooking and sweeping, even before we came out.
It's fine, it's nothing.
Thank you so much for taking care of our blind mother. You know, Mama loves to eat very early. Once she wakes up, food is ready. May the gods of our land bless you.
You say, where are you going to?
Wakego, let me rush down to the stream and get some water. Okay. So that Mama will drink water after eating, okay?
Okay. Okay, you know what? Let me come with you. Wakego, please just help me look after the food. Oh, it's almost ready. Just when the water dry, you carry it down.
Okay, just give me the broom.
She's such a nice girl.
Yes.
Wakego, once Mama wakes up, wash her and wait for us to come back.
Okay.
So that she will drink water while eating, okay?
Okay. Ganu come no?
May my name be stuck in your mouth. A child that says his mother will not sleep will also not sleep.
What is it?
It's nothing. I had a dream.
Dream? What happened?
Bath, I'm fine. It's nothing. It's just a dream.
Okay. Food is ready. Should I bring it here?
This is strange. This is strange. Jena.
Obi.
Thank the gods that you're here. I sent for you. Jena.
My friend.
I have been troubled.
What is it?
I had a nightmare yesterday. It is about your sister.
My sister what?
In that dream I saw Adugo killing your sister Wakego. Nwakego was struggling.
Obiora Meshanu, you did not see anything. I already know you have so much hatred for Adugo, and it's that hatred you have for Adugo that is manifesting in your dream.
I know what I saw.
Obiora, you did not see anything. You have so much hatred for this girl. Yes, that is why you are seeing her killing one person or the other. Before you know, she will kill a bushmeat in the forest. What's the meaning of all this? Obiora, please. If you're not busy, because I know you are less busy, obviously that's why you're here saying trash. You are less busy. So let's utilize your time. I am going to the forest to check on my bushmeat. I kept a trap in the forest, and I'm very, very sure that trap must have caused the bushmeat. So if you're not busy, accompany me to go and check on that trap. It's better so that you can utilize your time instead of here, staying here and talking on nonsense and trash. Utilize your time.
No problem. Since you want to trivialize my dream.
I am not trivializing your dream. I am telling you the truth. This is fact.
No problem. I'll accompany you on one condition.
Oh, Biora, you know you're my very good friend. I know what your condition is.
What is it?
You want some of that bullshit. And I will add palm wine, eh? Yes, I will add palm wine.
Let's see, my friend.
Alright,
let's go.
Let's go. I hope you come with. You have your hair. I'm always ready.
Nwa, come and eat your food. You've not had anything to eat since morning. Because then you will.
I don't want to eat.
But you have to eat something. Eh? You have to eat something. What is it, Ugoma? I don't know what is wrong with Mama. She has refused to eat anything.
Mama, what is it? Talk to me. What is it? Or you don't want Adugo to feed you? Okay, let me feed you. I open your mouth. Nemo. Adugo, please, don't be angry. Mama always liked to do inyanga. Eh? Please don't worry, okay?
Mama, Adugo, Ugoma, I'm off to the stream. I will be back soon.
Okay, go. You say you're going to the stream?
Yes, Mama.
Okay.
May your chi guide and protect you.
He say...
Come back on time.
Okay, Mama.
Oh, you open your mouth.
Nemo.
Nemo, ma. You're feeling very well, okay?
Adugo!
Daughter of Ajani, who is after you?
Jena, on my way to the stream, I saw the dead body of your sister on the ground.
The dead body of who?
Your sister!
My sister?
Yes.
Where? How? When?
Follow me.
Please lead the way, lead the way, lead the way. My sister!
My own child, Hey. Whoever that has hand in my child's death will never know peace. What have I done to my enemies? We don't like me. If we don't like me, what have I done to them? May the gods of our land protect me and my family. May the gods of our land protect me and my family. Go, Papa. Wakego, Wabo. Wakego. Wakego. My only sister. Why did you leave us so soon? Why did you leave my mama so soon? I pray that Ajani will go after who has a hand in your death. I pray that he goes after whoever that has a hand in your death.
Wakego!
Wakego, whosoever that has a hand in your death, whosoever that has a hand in your death, may Chukwuma, the all-knowing deity, fight them. May Chukwuma fight them. They will never go unpunished.
Jena, my friend. Take heart. Ajani, the Mother Earth, knows why she took your sister away at such a young age.
But why Nwakego, my sister? Why?
No, we cannot question the will of the gods. You should know that by now. Eh? But come to think of it, Jena. Remember the dream I told you I had last Eke Market Day? I told you that in that dream, Adaugo...
I will not take this from you. Now listen, and listen good. Obiora, whatever you call yourself, if you want this our friendship to last, as a matter of fact, this friendship has ended. Don't you ever mention Adugo again with this your nonsense mouth. If not, your head will leave your body. Don't you ever! Nonsense! Why would you mention Adugo? Of all people, why Adugo?
Obiora, offspring of Agumba.
Adugo, why are you in my way?
The Surugede dance is for the gods and not for humans.
Daughter of the unknown, you talk in parables.
Until the rotten tooth is pulled out, one must chew with caution. And remember that a river does not flow through the forest without bringing down a tree. Be warned.
Adugo, you keep talking in parables. I'm confused.
Offspring of Agumba. Talk less and live long.
She talks and acts strange. I have to mind my business hence. There is something strange about this maiden.
Gods of our land.
Mama.
Onye?
It's me, Ugomma.
Ugomma?
It's Ugomma.
Ha. My daughter, what is it?
Mama, I don't understand Jena anymore.
What happened?
Ever since the death of Nwakego, all he does is eat and drink with Adugo. He no longer go for hunting. Mama, can you imagine? We don't have any food nor meat left in this house.
Ugomma, my child. Ugomma, what an elder sees sitting down. Even when you climb the highest Iroko tree, you cannot see it. Remember, I was against that girl when you people brought her into this family to be part of our family. But you sided your brother. Now she's part of the family. What do you want me to do? I'm blind, I cannot see. There's nothing I can do.
Nee, I'm sorry. I didn't know things would turn out like this.
Goma, my child. But there is something about this girl. Whenever she's around me, her voice, there's something about her voice. Her voice is so familiar. And I don't feel comfortable whenever she's around me. There is something about her voice. But I can't really place my hands on it. Because each time she's around me, I don't feel fine. I don't feel comfortable.
Her voice is familiar.
Yes, her voice is familiar. But don't mind my child. All I know is that I ask my chief, I pray to the gods of our land to protect my family. That is all I ask for.
You say...
It shall be well with us, oh my child. So what you have to do now is to go to the stream. You know we don't have water. So go and fetch water. Hmm? Stop crying.
Mama.
Hmm? Stop crying. Eh? Stop crying, my dear. Hmm? It shall be well. Eh? Go and the gods will protect you.
Okay, Mama.
Oh, my child. God bless you. May the gods bless you and protect you. It shall be
Adugo, there is no food left in the pot, and all the pots are dirty. Get up there and go and wash those pots, and also cook for Mama.
Ugoma, the beauty of her mother. Why are you so bad at heart? What is stopping you from going in there, wash the pots, and cook the food yourself? Why are you disturbing my peace?
Wait. Are you now talking back at me, Adugo? Ever since the death of Nwakego, all you do is eat and walk around the village with my brother. You have turned him into a weak soul. He no longer go for hunting. I wish I never accepted him to this house.
It is too late, Ugoma. The danger in creating a monster is that it will one day turn against its master. Be warned, Ugoma. Be warned.
I'll make sure you leave this house. Bet me, I'll tell the Igwe. You are evil.
Ugoma, no matter how rough the ground is, it cannot stop the rain. The poisonous fang of the snake cannot do anything to the back of a tortoise.
We shall see.
Adugo, why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Ugoma asked me to wash the pot and cook food. I told her that I was busy, that I would do it later. Next thing, Ugoma slapped me.
Wait, Ugoma slapped you? Ugoma had the effrontery to slap you?
See my cheeks, see how red my cheeks is. Ugoma slapped me 3 times. Ugoma slapped me 3 times.
Ugoma
slapped me.
Ugoma, why are you? Now listen and listen good. Don't you ever lay your dirty hands on Adugo again. Why are you so wicked? Why maltreating a poor orphan in that manner? Now listen, I will not warn you again. The next time you will lay your dirty hands on Adugo again, that your left ear will make sure you do not use it to hear.
But Jide...
Silence! Do not interrupt me while I am talking, or I will show you the reason why I am called Jena, the king of the forest. The next time you will lay your hands on Adugo again, it will not be a good story to tell. The world is enough for the wise.
Mama, you called me. I'm here.
Yes, my son. We've lived in peace until you brought that maiden into this family. Since then, death and violence became the order of the day.
Mama, that I'm still seated here listening to you is because you are my mother. If not, I would have walked out. Yes, I would have walked out the moment you made the first statement.
Jena, listen to the wise word of your mouth.
Mama, there is no wise words coming out from your mouth. Not even a single wise word is coming out from your mouth. And Mama, if you continue this way, I will have no other option but to ignore you whenever you call me. Yes, I will never answer you again.
Jena, is that why you slapped your sister because of that stranger? Is it because I'm blind? I want her out of this house.
You lie, Mama. Never. Mama, for asking me to send Adugo out of this house, I will show you, Mama. Yes, I will starve you to the point that you understand that I'm the man of the house. I will starve you till you know that my words needs to be respected. I will not give you any food nor drink. Yes. Mama, don't you ever say anything like this again. Till you understand, till you know that I'm the man of the house. What nonsense!
Jena, my son! Jena, remember that those who have blood on their hands pay dearly for the blood they have shed. If anything happens to me, I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you. I will never.
Adugo, take this pot, go to the stream and get water.
And what is stopping you from going to the stream to fetch the water yourself?
I am cooking, so go to the stream and get the water.
It is very obvious that your time is not now. But you are pushing me to end you before your time.
Adugo, what did I just hear you say?
My ears are not bigger than yours.
I knew it. I knew you were not Banjin. I knew it has been you all this while. But my brother will not listen. But your stay in this house will come to an end.
Mark my words.
May my name be stuck in your mouth. A child that says his mother will not sleep will also not sleep.
God for my land, where are you? I've buried my two children. I am dying. I'm going to my grave. Adugo.
Hey, sisters, where have you been? I've been looking for the both of you. Why did the both of you leave me? Huh? Why?
You brought this upon us. What is eating the vegetable is inside the vegetable.
Ah! Ah! Hey! Hey! This is a very strange dream. My sisters trying to kill me? No. Something must be wrong somewhere. Something must be wrong somewhere. Obiora, let me start by saying that I'm really sorry for the last time. I flared up, and I know that I shouldn't have flared up, because we've been friends for a very long time. Okay? But at this point, at this stage, I don't know where to run to, except here. I don't know who to talk to, who to share feelings with right now. Obiora, as I am talking to you, I am the only surviving child of my parents. Of my mother, rather. Yes. And I don't even know what is killing my siblings or what has been killing them. As a matter of fact, I saw them in my dream yesterday. I'm telling you.
Jena, I've heard you. I have forgiven you also.
Thank you.
Jena, we have been friends since childhood.
I know.
And I would always tell you the truth. Jena, you are a man. And as a man, you have to go out and look for the root cause of this problem.
But how do I find out the root cause, as you say, of this problem? How do I find out? Obiora, the only person that would have told me the solution to this issue is our last dibia, but you know he's late now. I mean, Amadio has not yet, pointed out somebody to be our next dibia. So how do I know?
Good. Good. Then it is time for you to go across the waters. Yes.
Across the waters?
Yes. You have to go in search of a solution. Because you can't just sit down and watch your sisters die without knowing the causes of this death.
So what do I do?
I have a solution. I know a dibia called Adugo. He lives in Umudim. Yes. Tomorrow is Eke. I would advise you see him tomorrow. I want you to see him tomorrow. Maybe, just maybe, he can divine and tell you the root causes of these issues.
Obiora, thank you so much. I really appreciate this suggestion. I do appreciate it. Okay, but I would find time to go, but I can't go tomorrow. Yes, because see, my mother has been crying ever since. Yes, she has not eaten anything since yesterday. So what will happen is that maybe after watching her, I might eventually still go.
Jena, this is a matter of life and death. You have to go. About your mother. What do you expect a poor widow to do? Tell me what? She lost her husband, the love of her life. As if that wasn't enough. She got blind. And now the worst happened. Her 2 daughters are dead. What do you expect her to do?
It's alright. I will set course for Umudim tomorrow to see what do you call it? Adugo. Once cockroach tomorrow, I will set course for
best
Umudim.
For you.
Yes. Wise one, I am here for a very, very important reason. Wise one, please. I have heard stories of you. I know how powerful you are. Wise one, I want you to help me ascertain the cause of my predicament.
Eziokwu. Okwu ekwuchala n'iyi. Son of Okeke.
Wise one.
I will have to go with you to your home. For We have to hear the stories of yesterday.
We have to hear the stories of yesterday. Wise one, I don't understand. You are speaking in parables. What story of yesterday are you referring to?
You want me to help solve your problem?
Yes, that is why I'm here.
Then I will go with you to your home so that the tales of yesterday will explain the problems of today. Lead the way.
Tales explain the problems. Okay.
Who are you?
Mama.
Ah, my
it's
son.
It's me, Jena. I came with Adugo, the native doctor, to know the cause of our predicament.
Ah, that is a very wise decision my son you have taken. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome, Abogidi.
Greetings.
Greetings.
Mama, where is Adugo?
I don't know.
Oh.
Daughter of yesterday, what are you doing among the living?
Agbogidi, messenger of the gods. The dance of the spirit is not for human beings to savour. Do you want to know why I am here?
Yes, daughter of yesterday. Why are you here?
A big masquerade is about to take the center stage. The past is about to become the present.
Hey! I can see.
I came, ma.
Mama, Ogini, what is it now? It is Adugo now. What is it? Adugo. You can see Adugo.
Yes. What are you doing here among the living?
I came, ma. Tell them how it all happened.
How it happened? I'm so sorry. Forgive me.
What are you sorry for?
It all happened many years ago. Before I got married.
Okay.
To my late husband, Okeke, your father. So, he was in love with Adugo.
This Adugo?
Adugo, he was in love with her, but you see, I wanted him to myself.
I'm confused.
To myself.
Be Adugo. How many times have I warned you to stay away from my man? Okeke is mine, so leave him alone.
Ekema, I did not choose Okeke. He chose me. And he has promised to come and get married to me by the next New Yam festival. So why are you disturbing me?
Over my dead body, Adugo. Okeke can never marry you. Not when I'm still alive in this village.
That is left for the gods to decide. Now let me sound this as a note of warning to you. This should be the first and the last time you stop me on the road. The next time you will try to stop me on the road again, I will show you the stuff that I am made of.
Oh, Adugo. So you're pushing me, Ekema. You want to know what I'll do to you in this village? We shall see. Okeke is mine, and mine he shall be. And I will do everything possible to keep him, and you shall never have him. Okeke, my love, how are you doing? I've been looking for you around this village. Your sister even told me you went out with Adugo here. My love, please come to me.
Ekema, I have warned you countless times. I don't have anything to do with you anymore. Whatever we had was in the past. And I can't get married to a village prostitute who goes around sleeping with men in this village.
But my love, I only did it once. I'm sorry.
Oh, you did it once. You want to do it 10 times. As you can see, Adugo here is my wife to be. Just take a good look at her. It's not as big as you are. Please, excuse us.
Obim, please, let's leave here.
Go. Obim, please come. Obim. Okeke. My love, I'm sorry. I swear with Ajani, Okeke will never marry Adugo. He must be mine. Adugo, I warned you, but you never listened. I told you Okeke is mine, and mine he shall be. What do we do with her body?
I think we should bury her body so nobody will see it.
Okay.
I think so too.
Do a nice job.
So, you see, we killed her. Yes, but wait, we killed her and buried her. Forgive. Adugo, please forgive me. I did it when I was a child. Have mercy on me, because
Daughter of yesterday, you do not belong here in the land of the living.
Ekema, you must pay for your sins.
I cannot allow you to...
My son, Biko!
Mama! Mama, what's wrong? Mama, what is it? Mom, did you do something now? Mama, what is it?
I am sorry, messenger of the gods, but I have to take my revenge.
Mama, stand up! Mama! Bogiri, please, do something. Do something, please!
And to you, Jena, when you wake up, tell your mother to do the needful. Else, this will become her fate and that of her daughters.
Hey! Thank the gods that you're both alive.
Alive?
Yes, I had a very terrible dream.
Did anything happen to us?
That's not the issue. Where is Mama?
She's inside the hut.
See, Mama has a past to tell us. I just want to confirm something. You both are going to the stream. Forget about the stream. Let's go inside, please.
But there's no water at home.
Do you both want to die?
No.
Then follow me.
Jide, my son.
Mama.
What you saw in your dream was true. I paid a man to kill Adugo.
Hey!
So I can have Okeke, my husband, all to myself.
Hey, Mama. Mama, that is not good. No matter what your reasons are, it is not good. It is still murder.
But I'm sorry, my children. I was blinded by love. All this was because of love. The last time I saw Adugo in my dream, she touched my eyes. And when I woke up, I became blind. So please, I am sorry. Because I can't do anything for your father, okay? Because I love him so much.
Mama, today instead of taking someone's life.
Akego, my child, my son. I wish I never did. But my past is now haunting. No. I can feel her presence.
Whose presence again?
No, Adugo is here. See, Adugo is here. Adugo is here.
Which Adugo?
Adugo is here.
There is nobody here now. Mama, please. Mama, what is it now? Stop now. Mama,